Okay, so installation is done, server is restarted, and now it has created the administrator account and we need to configure the password. So we'll click OK to configure the password, and we need to provide the password. So we'll provide the same password mcsc123 hash dollar. The password is changed, and we'll move forward by clicking OK. And this is the server core interface. It is loading the things. Now, what do you want to do? It is welcoming us. Welcome to the Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evaluation. Okay, so what do you want to do? If you want to join this server to the domain, you will type 1 here. If you want to change the computer name, you will type 2. And for local administration, you will type 3. For remote management, you will type 4. For update, you will type 5. For installing update settings, you will type 5. To install the updates, you will type 6. For remote desktop, you will type 7. For configuring the IP address for network settings, you will type 7 here. For date and time, you will type 9, and you will get so many options like for log off, you will type 12. For restart, you will type 13. For shut down the server, you will type 14. For exiting, okay, from this command line, you will type 15. So what we will do, we will configure the IP address first. So to configure the IP address, we need to type 8 here. All right, so it is having the IP address 192.168.140.139. Okay, so what we will do, we will change the IP address. So we need to type the command number, the what do we say, network adapter number. Okay, one. So we have only one network adapter. We will type one here. All right. And what you want to do now, you need to set the network adapter address or IP address. You need to set the DNS server IP address, or you need to clear the DNS service. So we need to configure the IP address. We are using 10.0.0.0 network, and it has taken this IP address from DSCP. So we need to change it. So let us type one here to change the IP address. So which IP address you want to change? Means you want to configure the IP address from DSCP or static IP address. So we'll configure the IP address from static. So we will type yes. For DSCP, you will type D. We'll type S here, and we need to enter the IP address. Let us configure 10.0.0. Let us say 9. Okay, the IP address is configured. Now we need to enter the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Let us say our gateway IP address is like 10.0.0.100, or if you want to leave it blank. So what you will do, you will cancel. So let us enter the gateway 10.0.0.0.100. Okay, so the IP address is configured. If you want to continue, press enter. Again, we have got this numbers, we have got these multiple options. Let us say we want to change the server name. So to change the server name, which option you will select? You will select the option number 2. Okay, the current name of this server is win n65 and so on. So let us change the server name by selecting the option 2. Okay, so let us say it is a DSCP server. All right, so let us provide the name as DSCP server, and it has changed the computer name. And after changing the computer name again with CLI also, we need to restart the computer. So we will type Y to restart the computer. So these are the basic settings, and you can go to that menu and you can configure the server by selecting the numbers there.